You know, during the 1980s, I spent my 20s in the St. Paul, Minneapolis area, Minnesota, the great Midwest. And when you were excited about something, the two words that you would say was, "Holy buckets!" And those are the two words I would describe that happened at the first annual National Honeybee Day celebration right here at HQ on Route 352 in Big Flats, New York. The turnout was beyond any expectation I had of that particular day. The only regret I have on that day is not being able to talk to every person that came through our door. But I would like to take a minute and thank all these groups of people and individuals that made HoneyBeeMade what it is today. I'd like to thank our customers, our club members, property owners, friends, family, corporate donators, and our inner circle. Let's start first by talking about our customers. If it weren't for you buying our products, we would not be able to grow. There's no question about it. And there's one thing I've always said from the beginning is that if you don't succeed, we don't succeed. Whether you're buying honey or whether you're learning how to keep bees, you buy bees from us, you buy woodenware from us. If you don't succeed, we don't succeed. Our club members, I cannot say enough how eternally grateful I am for your membership into our HoneyBeeMade Club. If it wasn't for you, we would not have this bee yard, we would not have this building that I'm sitting in right now. To our property owners, where we have beehives on your property, eternally grateful for what you're doing to help us out. Friends, family, all of you of which given us so much moral support. Can't forget about corporate donators. Without you, again, like club members, we would not have this bee yard and this building to be able to work out of. It's really surreal what is going on. I feel like we don't really own this property on Route 352 and the building itself. It doesn't feel like we own it. It really feels like a tool to help support our community. And I can't forget our inner circle. I express my eternal gratitude for what they have done to create what we've created here on Route 352 in Big Flats. So I'd like to take a minute and introduce you to our inner circle. In no particular order, I'd like to first introduce you to Seth Lovell, surveyor, contractor, and entrepreneur. We have Cody Wenzel in our inner circle, heavy equipment operator, owner of Quest Northeast, and entrepreneur. Also inside our inner circle is Dean Wenzel, resident gardener, as we like to call him, also owner of Quest Northeast and entrepreneur. Let me introduce to you Joe Gush, longtime friend and resident of Big Flats, New York. He is in charge of logistics and he's a heavy equipment operator as well as an entrepreneur. Let me introduce to you Marcus Schimmer. He is a concrete guru expert, owns MS Concrete, and entrepreneur. And of course, let me introduce to you my wife. And you don't see her on cameras too much. That's why I found a still photo that I really enjoyed from an Alabama concert we went down to when we went down to State College. But anyway, she's in charge of finances, marketing, and also she's an entrepreneur. That's a brief introduction of our inner circle here at HoneyBeeMade. As you can see in this piece of video, they're all together doing their thing.